In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Spreadsheet in Google Drive. To get started, open your web browser and go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main area where your files, folders, and documents are stored, so it's the best place to create and organize new work. If you're not already signed into your Google account, make sure to do that first so you can access your Drive properly. Once you're on the Google Drive home screen, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This is the main menu used to create new files in Google Drive, including documents, folders, presentations, and of course, spreadsheets. Clicking New opens a drop-down menu with several options, so take a moment to make sure you're choosing the right one for what you want to create. From that menu, click on Google Sheets. As soon as you do that, Google will open a brand new spreadsheet in a new tab. This gives you a blank sheet where you can start entering data, creating tables, tracking information, or building calculations. One of the great things about Google Sheets is that your work saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about clicking a save button while you work. After the new spreadsheet opens, move your attention to the top left area of the page. You'll see the default title, which usually says Untitled Spreadsheet. Click directly into that title field. This is where you can give your spreadsheet a proper name. Renaming your file right away is a good habit because it helps keep your Google Drive organized and makes the file much easier to find later, especially if you create a lot of documents. Type in the name you want for your spreadsheet, and once you do, Google Sheets will automatically update the file name for you. That means your spreadsheet is not only created, but also labeled and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully created a spreadsheet in Google Drive. From here, you can begin adding your data, formatting cells, creating formulas, or sharing the file with others if needed. If you want to stay organized, it's also a smart idea to move the spreadsheet into the right folder in your Drive after naming it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.